what's up? My name is Ruben. Today I'm going to walk you through how to play Unajua. As always, if you have a song that you want me to do a tutorial on, let me know in the comment area. If you learn from this tutorial, leave a thumbs up, and if you're new here, subscribe and also hit that notification bell so that you're notified whenever I upload a tutorial. So without wasting any more time, let's kick off right after this. So this song is in the key of C. There are maybe two parts of the song. There's the verse, intro, verse, chord progression. The intro and the verse share the same chord progression, and then there's that chorus which has a slightly different progression from the verse and the chorus. So we'll start off with the intro as then of course we'll look at the chorus. So the intro starts off with the C chord, and then G, and then we play A minor, F, G, C. So it's C, G, A minor, F, G, and C. Then so that's the progression for the intro and the verse. The chorus, where he sings Unajua something, you start off with the C chord, and then we play G, and then A minor, G, A minor, G, A minor, G, C, G, A minor, G, A minor, G, A minor, G, and C again. So those are the the progressions for the song. Well, there's that reggae vibe. After you're done with the, immediately you start playing the chorus. So well, I will walk you through on how you can bring about that reggae vibe. But for now, I will quickly show you how to hold these chords. And then there's also, you can decide to either use the open chords or the bar chords, but I would prefer you mix them up. So on open chord, the C chord, of course I am holding this C chord, open C chord. My pointer finger is on string number 2 on the first fret, middle finger playing string number 4 on the second fret, and my ring finger playing string number 5 on the third fret. That's C chord. The chord that follows is the G chord. So G chord, small finger here on the first string, fret number 3, middle finger playing string number 5, fret number 2, and my ring finger playing string number 6 on fret 3. G. The chord that follows is an A minor chord. So A minor chord, open here, pointer finger playing string number 2 on the first fret, middle finger playing string number 4 on the second fret, and my small finger playing string, my ring finger playing string number 3 on the second fret, A minor. And of course there's this F chord. So F chord, my pointer finger is playing, or rather barring fret number 1, barring string 1 all the way to 6. My middle finger is on string number 3, second fret, ring finger playing string number 5 on the third fret, and my small finger playing string number 4 on the third fret. So that's F chord. So you can either hold the F chord here, a full back form chord, or you can break it, and pointer finger will now, instead of barring the full from string 1 all the way to 6, you can just hold, press on string 1 and 2, and then you mute your string number 6 with your thumb. So so those are the chords that comprise the better part of this song. So those are the open chords. Then if you want to play your bar chords, you of course play C here, and then A minor you play here. So this A minor chord, I am using my pointer finger to bar string 1, 2, and 3 on string 1, 2, and 3 on the 5th fret, and then my ring finger is on string number 4 on the 7th fret. So this is string number 4. Of course, this is not A. So so making that an A minor. So C, of course, is this G, A minor, F, G, and C. So basically that's you know, that's how those are the chords. Now of course the first verse, verse 1, he kind of plays just, you know, C, it feels also it's open, C, G, A minor, F, G, and C. Now when you get to the chorus where there's that reggae vibe going on, I would suggest you play, you know, the bar chord form. So there's that C, so the reggae vibe, what you do in order to have that reggae thing, you will play like you're playing one, you will play off beats 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So imagine that I mean, so if you want to get that offbeat part, you will play the and. So I am counting 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So I'm playing the and. So I'm not playing the 1, 2, 3 and 4 are on beats, but the ands are off beats. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5. Yeah. 1 and 1 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and so when you play the and, that's when you will now bring about that reggae vibe. So A minor, I mean C, so well, the bit where Wendy of course is singing is the same as the place where GILAD is singing in the first verse. So basically that's how you gotta play the song. I hope I was clear on the, you know, on how you go about playing that song. But if I wasn't clear, you can always let me know in the comment area, and if I need to do or revise, I will do so. So well, subscribe if you haven't subscribed to the channel. Also, if you have a song that you want me to do a tutorial on, let me know in the comment area. So with that, let's see each other on the next one. Ciao.